Mission Volcano Eruption. Ladies and gentlemen, can you imagine a mission more explosive than too much soda? Watch the mighty mountain, powered by kitchen chemistry. When acid meets base, bubbles form, pressure builds, boom. Vinegar plus baking soda creates carbon dioxide gas, our eruptive driver. This fizz mimics pressure deep beneath real volcanoes. Molten rock and gases push upward until Earth can't hold them. Add food coloring for lava, dish soap for extra bubbly blasts. Build it with clay, sand, or even a soda bottle, your choice. Stand back, igniting the kitchen volcano protocol. Foam surges upward, our dramatic fizzy eruption. Remember, a fizzing volcano is science in action, fun with purpose. Stay curious, stay messy, and keep experimenting.